That's nothing but Mickey and Minnie gift box activity. I hope you're ready with your material, right? Are you all ready? Ready? If you don't have colored paper, no problem. You can try with the plain white paper. Okay, children? Okay. Later you can try with the colored paper. And now let's move on to the activity. Now take red paper. Okay. 15 into 15. 15 meter centimeter length and 15 width. Okay. You just take one A4 size paper, fold it into two, and you can cut it into perfect square. Okay. Okay, fine. And next thing, what you have to do, you have to measure and draw line on this colored paper. Okay. For 5 centimeter, put one dot and then one dot. So here you have to draw two lines. Okay. And again, you have to measure the width with same 5 and 5 centimeter. Slowly draw the lines. Are you all able to see this, children? Okay. And next thing, what you have to do is just fold. On the line, you have to fold. Just sit nicely. And here also you have to fold. Just sit nicely. Okay. Like this, you have to draw the lines and fold. And now listen, children. Carefully listen. You have to cut this. Okay, in this corner, you have to give one small cut. And here you have to give one small cut. Here. And then here. See here? The corner you have to give small cut. Here one and here one. Are you all able to see this? Muhammad Afzal, take your paper. It should be in 15 centimeter in 15 centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeter length and 15 centimeter width. You just take your A4 size paper and fold it into two and cut it into perfect square. You can get this perfect square shape. Okay. Arjit, if you don't have color paper, no problem. You can try with the white paper. Later, you can try with the color paper. Okay, now you can take white paper. And now listen, children. Now we are going to paste these papers. So slowly you have to push it in like this. This is the first folding. See here? From the right corner, you have to just push it in like this. So gently apply glue. And this is the next step. Just you have to overlap like this. Okay. Gently apply glue. And then finally you have to stick this part. Okay, our beautiful box is ready. Are you all able to see this? Okay. And next thing, dear children, what we have to do, take black paper. It should be 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Okay. So here I'm going to measure. Slowly you have to cut it. See here, 7 into 7 you have to cut. Okay. With this paper only we are going to make cover for this box. See here? And here also you have to draw lines, children. So listen carefully. So just leave some space. Here one line. Okay. And here one line. And then here you have to draw one line. And here also you have to draw one line. Harith, here I am making Mickey and Minnie gift box. You didn't refer Google Classroom? And listen children, like this you have to draw lines. Okay. And then listen carefully. Cut this edge. This corner, no? Here you have to give one small cut, okay? You are able to see this. Like this, you have to give small slit. And press it nicely. And next thing what we have to do, the same procedure you have to follow, you just overlap and stick it, okay? Before that, gently apply glue at the corner of this paper. So stick it like this. Slowly you have to stick like this. Yes, here our lid box lid is ready. See here children, for this box you need 15 centimeter paper, and for this cover you need 7 centimeter paper, okay? Our beautiful box is ready. And next thing what we are going to make, here we are going to draw beautiful ears for this mini box, Mickey box. Here I am having template. Like this, draw two ears, okay? And then trace it on the black paper. See here children, like this you have to trace, okay? And then cut it neatly. Here children, and what you have to do, you have to stick this ears on this box. Just give small folding. Listen carefully. In this area, you have to give small folding. Okay, and then gently apply glue. Stick it like this. See here. Okay, this is Mickey box. And next thing, take white paper or white chart. Here you have to trace small circle. Cut it neatly. And listen children, you have to stick this circle at the center of this box. See here? Okay. 4 sides you have to stick like this. Totally 4 circles you have to cut. Children, are you all following the instructions? If you don't have color paper, you can use white paper. Finally, I ask you to turn on your video. Surely I will check your activity today. Okay. Yes, here are beautiful Mickey box gift boxes ready. Okay. At that same procedure, you have to follow for mini box also. Very good, Bhavana. Very nice. For mini box, what we have to add? Here, you have to add small bow. Okay. I'll teach you how to make that. Take red paper. Here you have to draw. See here, children, like balloon you have to draw. Okay. After that, cut it neatly. See, here we are having two pieces, no? Now what you have to do, just fold it like this and stick. Okay? We are making small bow for Minnie. Draw one. And next you have to stick it together. See here, a beautiful small bow is ready. And then take white paper and make some small hole punches. And stick it on the bow. See here children, a beautiful paper bow is ready. And here you have to stick. See here. Okay, a beautiful mini box is ready. Is there any doubt children? Once again I repeat this box folding. Take 15 into 15 centimeter paper, and here you have to measure. This draw line. Here also you have to fold like this. Okay, now listen. How you have to cut this? Just cut on this line. Just alternate lines you have to cut. Okay. And then press it nicely. And next thing what we have to do is just overlap it. Gently apply glue. Overlap like this. A beautiful box is ready. Yes, very good, Andrea. Very good, Pavana. It's beautiful. You all able to see this? Good, sir. A beautiful box is ready. Yes, Miran Matthew, I can see something. What's that? Is that Mickey and Minnie box? Like this, you have to make the box. Very good, Andrea, Sandria. But instead of Mickey, you have make something, I think. Those who finish can show your activity now. Why, Saral, why you can't do it? It's simple activity only, no? Yeah, yes, Keshwa. Very good, Keshwa. Keshwa, instead of that color paper, you can use black paper. Okay, then only you can get the perfect effect. Okay, Keshwa? Good, very good. Very good, Danyashree. Good, beautiful. Very good. And next, Milan Matthew, you have to complete this activity. Okay. Yes, very good, Mitra Sai. Very nice. Good girl. Very good. How many of you have completed this activity? Very good, Neha Vidula. The size of the ears alone, you have to draw big. Okay, Neha Vidula. Like this, you have to draw and cut. Okay. Is Pavana. And next, children, how many of you have completed? You can show. Turn on your video. Have you all completed last week's activity, wall hanging activity? Very good, Lakshana. Lakshana is very good. Very good. Ma'am. And next, yeah, very good, Neha Vidula. Good, very nice. Good girl. Very good. Good. Ma'am. Yes, dear children, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Next week, we will meet with another interesting activity. Till then, take care. Bye, everyone. Thank you all.